Hi, my name is Gus Fraser. I'm Director of Preservation and Facilities at Mount Auburn Cemetery, and we are getting ready to begin work on the Amos Binney Monument that was designed and sculpted by Thomas Crawford. The project will consist first of an overall cleaning of the monument, and you can see where lichen has built up on the surface here. Then we've got moss growing out of a joint in the stone, between the stones, and then overall soiling of the surface that really detracts from appreciation of the monument. And also the growth, this biological growth, can actually encourage deterioration in the future. So that's going to be removed.
Hi, my name is David Gallagher. I'm Chief of Conservation at Mount Auburn Cemetery. We are working on the Binney Monument today, and we are starting out with working on the foundation, shoring that up to make sure that it's nice and supported, which it is. It was nicely done the first time. And we will be also resetting the apron stones. Today, what we're going to be working on is removing these stones here, leave these original two stones here that were part of the original foundation, and then we will pour a concrete footing so we have something really solid to sit the apron stone on, and then we'll put a little angle iron clip here we'll set that into the concrete, and that will keep the stone from shifting backwards. The team working on the Binney Monument this season would be Steve Brown, who is our preservation craftsperson, Julio Ortiz and Jose Sereno, who are our seasonal artisans, and myself, David Gallagher, Chief of Conservation.